I think I found the perfect makeup look for summer. It's so pink and vibrant. Today I'm going to share how you can do this. Let's get into it. The first thing that I'm going to do is spray some setting spray and just do about 3 to 4 sprays to cover your entire face. Next, get any concealer and just apply 2 small dots right under your eyes. Blend with either a foundation or concealer brush. After, grab any cream blush. This is by Jouer Cosmetics, and all I like to do is just about 2 dots on my cheek. And then just blend it how you normally would. This is like the perfect summer blush. It's so rosy and pink. To make it last longer, especially because it's hot, use some some powder blush to just lock it in. And all you need to do is sweep it over where you applied the cream blush. Now, just get your finger and apply a little bit of highlighter along your nose and then right above where you applied your blush, just for a minimal glow. We're not going to do any eyeshadow because, again, this is a very light makeup look, so I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. This mascara is my favorite. It lasts so long, it doesn't melt off in the heat, and it just looks so good. The lips are truly what ties this whole look together, and so this is the Chanel Ink Fusion in shade Vibrant Pink. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply like that much. I literally do that much because it makes my lips so bright, and it just really complements the entire makeup look. And then just use your fingers to kind of even it out. I just really love the bright lips, especially, it's summer, so bright lips are always a good idea. Now, just to give it some shine, I'm going to use some lip oil. Use any lip oil that you have. This is a red one, so I find that it really complements the pink underneath. As always, I'm just going to apply a little bit more blush. I feel like pink is truly this entire look. It looks so pretty. And here is the finished look. Now, to lock it in, I'm going to use some more setting spray. Just 3 sprays is all you need. I hope you found that helpful, and be sure to follow for more beginner makeup tutorials. Bye everyone, have a good day.